Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the BIOS/UEFI entry key for your specific motherboard or laptop. This is usually F2, Dell, ESC, or F10. Once done, suspend BitLocker or any disk encryption so the OS won't lock the drive after changing Secure Boot. Make a quick backup of critical files and plug the machine into power. Shut down fully, then power up and immediately press the BIOS key repeatedly until the firmware menu appears so you can begin changing Secure Boot settings. You'll now work inside UEFI to find the Secure Boot control, usually under Boot, Security, or Authentication. If you don't see it, enable Advanced, Expert, or Developer View to expose deeper options. Once visible, select Secure Boot and inspect the current state. If set to Enabled, change it to Disabled or choose another OS option that removes vendor keys. Make sure to confirm any prompts about key management. You may be asked to clear or reset Secure Boot keys before disabling them. After changing Secure Boot, save your settings. Most firmware uses F10 or a save and exit option, and allow the system to reboot. You should verify the OS boots normally and any unsigned drivers or alternative OS installers now load. If you encounter boot errors, re-enter UEFI and either re-enable Secure Boot or restore factory keys. Also make sure BitLocker was suspended. As a troubleshooting tip, if things go wrong, reset BIOS to defaults, update the firmware, and recheck encryption suspension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.